How to fix the issue with Capital One application not working. In this video, I will show you how can you easily fix the issue with Capital One application on your device. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly you need to head towards Google Play Store or Apple Store if you're an iOS device. After that, in the search bar, simply type Capital One. Hit the search icon, and if you see the option of update beside the application's name, click on it and do update the application. After that, now you need to head towards the settings section of Capital One application. So for that, tap and hold on the app icon and click on App Info. Then, in the settings, you will see storage option. Simply click on it and click on Clear Cache. Now once you have cleared the cache, your application will run smoothly, as sometimes collective cache can affect the performance of the application. Now, after all this step, if your problem is still not solved, you are suggested to reinstall the application. So that's it. That is how easily you can fix the issue with Capital One application not working. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.